काकुलो फामिलीन आपल्या चलयेच्या उगडासान मुष्टिफंड संस्थाक 50 लाख रुपया दान दिल्यात. स्वप्ना पांडुरंग बोबो काकुलो ही ह्या शाळेची आदली विद्यार्थिनी आशिल्ली. मुष्टिफंड संस्थेचे पदाधिकारी, शाळा अधिकारी, शिक्षक तसेच विद्यार्थी आणि फामिली वांगड्यांच्या हजेरेत तिच्या आवय बापायन यादिस्तीक फलकांचे अनावरण करून ही देणगी दिली. ह्या निधीचो वापर शिक्षणीक सुविधा घटमूट करपाक जातलो अशें शाळेन आश्वासन दिलां. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Monusi's niece, late Miss Swapna Caculo, late Miss Swapna Caculo, who left this world at a very young age at just 11 years. She was the student of Mushtifund Primary School, Penjim. The Caculo family has come forward with a generous contribution of rupees 50 lakhs towards the upgradation of and the cost of the 2 administrative blocks of our Kujirak educational complex. On behalf of Mushtifund Saunstha, our managing committee, all teachers, staff, and entire student community, I extend our heartfelt thanks to the Caculo family for this noble gesture. Their support enables us to provide better facilities and a better learning environment for our children, something that aligns perfectly with the values of which Mushtifund was founded on.